What's up guys, welcome back to my another video. Today we will discuss about English grammar chapter number 5 adjectives. So let's start the video. First of all, what is adjective? An adjective is a word used with a noun to add something to its meaning. Adjective means add to. Study the following sentences. Sita is a clever girl. I don't like that boy. In these two sentences, the first sentence, clever, shows what kind of girl Sita is. Or in other words, clever describes the girl Sita. In second sentence, that points out which boy is meant. Thus, a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names or to tell the number of quality is called an adjective. Kinds of adjective. Adjective may be divided into 9 kinds or 9 parts. First is proper adjective, second is descriptive adjective, third is quantitative adjective, fourth numeral adjective, fifth demonstrative adjective, sixth interrogative, seventh possessive, eighth emphasizing, and ninth exclamatory. Let's move forward and understand what are these kinds. First of all, what is proper adjective? Proper adjective describes a thing by referring to some proper noun. A proper adjective must begin with a capital letter. For example, this is a grammar of English language. In this, English is the proper adjective. The Indian plains are very hot. In this sentence, Indian is a proper adjective. So that's why the first letter of this words is always capital. This is the part, or this is, you can understand how we can find that it is a proper adjective. First of all, it is a proper noun. Example, English, Indian, Chinese, etc. And also it starts with capital letter. Next, descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. As Kolkata is a large city. He is an honest man. Adjective of quality answers the question of what kind. This is how we can find that it is a descriptive adjective. Adjective of quality. Descriptive adjective also known as adjective of quality. So, adjective of quality answers the question of what kind. This thing of what kind. That Kolkata, the city Kolkata is what kind, of what kind. That means it is a large city. Kolkata is a large city. That means it is a descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. And next part is quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective shows how much of the thing is meant as. I ate some rice. Quantitative adjectives also known as adjective of quantity. The first descriptive adjectives also known as adjective of quality, and this is known as adjectives of quantity. I ate some rice. Here some shows the quantity of rice. He showed much patience. Much is the quantity of patience. So we can say that it is a quantitative adjective. The adjectives of quantity answers question how much. Next, numeral adjectives. Numeral adjectives or adjectives of number shows how many person or things are meant or in what order a person or thing stands for. As the hand has 5 fingers. Few cats like cold water. In this, our hand has 5 fingers. How much fingers we have? How many fingers we have? This tells us the number of fingers in our hands. That's why we can say that it is a numeral adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant as. This boy is stronger than Hari. That boy is industrious. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. This and that are used with singular nouns. These and those were plural nouns. Interrogative adjectives. What, which, and whose are used with nouns to ask question as what kind of man is he? Which way shall we go? What is used in a general sense and which is selective sense. Possessive adjectives are used attributively before a noun as I have lost my umbrella. John has invited your brother. Emphasizing adjectives on and when are used to emphasize a possessive adjective or a noun. I saw it with many own eyes. He was bitten at his own game. Last, exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives are used to express sudden surprise, pain, etc. The word what is something used as a sometimes used as a exclamatory adjectives. What genius, what an idea. I hope you understand and enjoy with this video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel so that your friends also see my video and subscribe my channel. Support me and I support you like this. Thank you.